children, welcome back to math class. Before going into our topic, we have to recall a last class. Okay, we had learned about the place values of a 5-digit number and 6-digit number. Okay, here in 5 digits number, how many place values are there? There are 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. And we read it as 72,654. And in 6 digit number, there are how many place values? There are how many place values? 6 as per as the digit. Okay, good. In 6 digits number, we have the place values lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens and ones. We read it as 2,98,743. Now we are going to learn a new topic, that is face value and place value. What is face value? What is face value? Face value of the digit remains the same wherever it is placed. For example, if you have taken 20. In 20, what is the face value? It is 2. In 600. What is the face value? 6. But here the place values are changed. In 20, we have tens place 2. In 600, we have 6 in hundreds place. Is there or not? See the chart here. 76,125. Here the place value of 5 is ones, but the face value is 5. Here 2. 2 is in the place of tens. The place value of 2 is tens, but the face value is 2. 1. Here 1 is in the place of hundreds. The face value is 1. Here 6. 6 is in the place of thousands. The face value is 6. Here 7. The 7 is in the place of 10,000. The face value is 7. If you had written the 7 in hundreds place, then also the face value of 7 is only 7. It will not be changed. Here the example. Here in number 60, face value of the number is 6. Place value is tens place. In 600, face value is 6. But the place value is hundreds place. Face value in 6,000 is 6. Place value is thousands place. In 60,000, the face value of is 6. Place value is 10,000 place. Have you understand, children? Once again, in 60, face value is 6 and place value is tens place. In 600, face value is 6, place value is hundreds place. In 6,000, face value is 6 and place value is thousands place. In 60,000, face value is 6, place value is 10,000s. Okay, the number of does not be changed as a face value, but the place value will be changes as tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place. Okay. Now next topic is place value chart of 5-digit number. 5 digit number. What is place value chart? What is place value chart? The table which shows the value of digit of one or more numbers is called place value chart. The table which shows the place value of digits of one or more numbers is called a place value chart. The place value chart is divided into periods to represent a 5 digit or 6 digit number. 5 digit or 6 digit number. See here the place value chart. Here the place values 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. Here periods thousands and ones. For a 5 digit number there are only 2 periods. They are thousands and ones. In thousands period we have 10,000 and 1,000. In ones period we have hundreds, tens and ones. Place value chart of 6 digit number. In 6 digit number we have 3 periods. They are lakhs, thousands, ones. Lakhs, thousands and ones. In lakhs we have 10 lakhs, lakhs. In lakhs period we have 10 lakhs and lakhs. In thousands period we have 10,000 and thousands. In ones we have hundreds, tens and ones. See the picture here. Okay, in your book page number 152. Okay children, have you understand? Once again, the place value chart consists of periods and places. For the 5 digit number we have only 2 periods. They are thousands and ones. For 6 digit number we have 3 periods. They are lakhs, thousands and ones. You may practice the examples 8 and 9 at your home. Okay children. All of you open your page number 152. Here 5 digit and 6 digit numbers in expanded form. What is expanded form? A number which can expressed as a sum of place values of its individual digits is said to be an expanded form. A number which can expressed as a sum of place values of its individual digits is said to be an expanded form. Okay, here see the number here. 2,42,178. 2,42,178. We will write it as 8 ones, 7 tens, 1 hundreds, 2 thousands, 4 10,000s and 2 lakhs. In the expanded form, we will write the number as, see here, 2 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. We are keeping in the thousands place, 10,000s place, thousands place, 100 tens ones place zeros. It becomes 2 lakhs, 40,000, 2,000, 600, 70 and 8. We are keeping the plus. This is the sum. Okay. Here this form is called as expanded form. Okay. You may practice the examples in page number 153. The examples are 10 and 11 in your homework book. Okay, children. And one file fact is, in India, the use of zero. In India, the use of zero started around 700 AD. Before 700 AD, we had not used the zero. In India, we used the zero in after 700 AD. In Hindi, the term used for zero is shunya. Okay, here is the mental maths. Answer this following. What is the place value of 0 in 10,245? What is the place value of 0 here? What is the place value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. Okay, write down here thousands place. Which of the following is equal to 100,000? Which of the following is equal to 100,000? Which one? Please check. 100 after 30. Yes, this is the 100,000. Here 100 after how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. This is not. 100 after 2 zeros. This is not. 100 after 1 zero not. A is the correct answer. Next, representing 5 digit and 6 digit number using abacus. Representing 5 digit and 6 digit number using abacus. By using abacus, how we will represent 5 digit and 6 digit number, we will learn now. Before learning that one, what is meant by abacus? What is an abacus? See the picture here. Abacus is a tool which represents numerals. Okay, see here. An abacus have spikes. An abacus have spikes. How many spikes? Number of spikes. How many you want? You may take it. Okay, the spikes from right to left. The spikes from right to left. Here, this is the right. Right to left represents the place value of the digit in increasing order. Digits in increasing order. For example, if you have taken 5 digit number, then we have how many spikes on the abacus? 5 spikes. Okay, 5 spikes. Here from right side, ones, tens, thousand, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay. Okay, here. For example, here is 52,376. How will you count? Here, in ones place, how many spikes are? How many bits are there in the spike? How many bits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits on a first bit, first spike. In second spike, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While you are writing the number, you have to count the number of bits on a spike from the right side. First you have to write the 6. In ones place, how many bits are there? 6. In tens place, 7. In hundreds place, 3. In 10,000s place, thousands place, 2. In 10,000s place, 5. Okay. Next, this is what is the number here? Is 52,376. Every spike have maximum number of bits. Only 9 bits are the 9 is the maximum number of bits for every spike. Okay. Here, next, see the picture here. How many spikes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the 6 spikes represents you. The number is a 6-digit number. 6-digit number. Here, count the bits in the first one from the right. 3. Keep the 3. Next one in tens place 1. In hundreds place 4. In thousands place 3. In 10,000s place 5. In lakhs place 1. It becomes the number 1,53,413. Okay, once again, an abacus is a simple tool to present the numerals. It has spikes, number of spikes. How many number of spikes you want, you may take it on the abacus. But every spike have maximum number. 9 is the maximum number of beads. 9 is the maximum number of beads. We have to count the numbers from the right to left to represent the place value of the digits in increasing order, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000, lakhs, etc. Here is a quick check for you in page number 154. Please answer the questions. Write the smallest and greatest 5-digit numbers. What is the smallest 5-digit number? What is the smallest 5-digit number? Write down here 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many numbers came here? 5. 5 digits. Then smallest 5-digit number is 10,000 and greatest 5-digit number is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Write the smallest and greatest 6-digit number. Next, greatest 6-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits came na? Yes. Now it becomes 1 lakh. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 9,99,999. What is the highest place value in a 5-digit number? What is the highest place value? Yes, 5-digit highest place value is 99,999. Okay, you have to let us practice 1.1 in your book. You may fill up. Okay, you are too intelligent to fill the blanks and questions. Okay, children, have a nice day.